99% of people will fail, not because they're not smart, not because they're not capable, but because they fall into traps they don't even see coming. The question is, will you be different? You have less time than you think. If you don't change now, you risk waking up 5 years from now in the exact same place. And that should terrify you. Let's talk about the traps that keep people stuck and how to escape them. The biggest reason people fail? They're waiting. Waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation. But here's the truth. Perfection is a lie. It's just fear in disguise. Think about this. How many times have you told yourself, I'll start Monday? But Monday never comes. The people who succeed, they start before they're ready. And here's where it gets interesting. Because once you break free from this illusion, you gain an unfair advantage over the 99%. But even if you start, there's still one brutal mistake that keeps people trapped. And it's coming for you next. Ever notice how people start strong but fade away fast? They chase motivation like it's fuel, but motivation burns out. And that's where most fail. Success doesn't belong to the most talented. It belongs to the most consistent. The ones who show up even when they don't feel like it. Here's the secret. Your results aren't instant. They stack up over time, and most people quit before they see the rewards. But the 1%? They trust the process. But even consistency isn't enough. If you don't fix this final mistake, you're still doomed to fail. Most people work hard, but they're running in circles. Why? Because they don't have a system. Successful people don't just wing it. They have habits that keep them locked in, even when motivation fades. They automate success, and that's what separates the 1%. They don't just dream of success, they design their lives for it. Want to start designing your success? It all begins with your daily habits. In fact, I've broken down the 7 most powerful habits that can change your life forever. Tap here to watch now. Don't just think about success. Build the habits that make it inevitable. Watch now